Sorry, ladies, I'm super late today, but I really intend to be with you for a longer time because this is going to be my what you call it, my final day of live selling for the week. So I'm going to see you next week. What's the lineup today? The lineup today are jewelries. We have some uh, new arrivals. Our scarves are still here for a very good price. So if anyone of you would want to grab the scarves, go get it. Giving a bundle discount for those who are going to get 5 scarves. And if you just want one scarf, you can get it for only $18. But if you get 5 scarves, you get a $5 discount. So that's the Black Friday deal for our scarves. And for the bags, if you still need the bags, I'm still doing almost below cost pricing for the bags. Jewelries, our waterproof jewelries are on a very good sale. It's actually not a wholesale anymore. It's some of the jewelries are below wholesale, so that is going to be a factory pricing already. So grab the opportunity to have those because they're running out. And I'll be right with you after I shared our live, okay? Meanwhile, just think of what you want to get from GFM US. We are actually having some great items coming in anytime this week, all right? So why sit down, relax. You don't need to actually buy, just watch out. Maybe there would be in the future you will consider our store to be your go-to fashion store. Okay, we sell almost everything fashion for majority for women, and we're actually adding more and more. We have the kids shop. I haven't actually shown some clothing for the kids. For men, we are hi, oo, nood lang, Joy. Let's watch together. Let's have great time. Nasaan ka ba? Sa office ka ba? Thank you so much, Joy, for dropping by. And yeah, I hope you could stay with us. We still have another live selling at 5:30 tonight. Okay, so I just sit down and relax. We already have some few items coming in, and I will be showing that on the page in a bit after the live, but I can definitely show them to you right now. Okay, so our bangles, especially the Hermes, the H, okay, the H. Okay, this is with stamp. However, for those who want to get this is the easy open. Okay, the easy open bangle. This is actually on sale. I would not say on sale. It's actually on a very competitive price. We're doing it for $15 for each bangle. Okay, $15 for each bangle. The price will be the same, I think, all throughout for the Black Friday season, but we will be adjusting that one after the holiday. Okay, so meanwhile, sit down and relax, and let's share our live. Okay, I'll be right with you. I will just be sharing uh, to some friends, and then I will be sharing, I think, later for the groups. Okay, really thank you for joining me today. Can anyone comment if our audio is okay? I just want to make sure that the audio is okay before I proceed. All right, I think we're good. So let me know what items you want me to flex. Thank you so much, Joy. Oh, thank you so much for being with me today. I'm so happy that that you will be joining us. Okay, so giniginaw na. It's cold out here, but I don't think it's going to be cold that much because it's raining here. So that's why I think it's cold. All right. So let me show you one. These are, the scarves that I'm wearing. Can anyone tell me the brand? Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda niya. So this one is actually a silk scarf that is just that just arrived. Okay, so if anyone can anyone guess what brand is this one? You just need to respond to a letter, okay? Letter, because we don't want to be to be shoved out from the live, okay? Joy got it correctly. So Joy got it correctly. So this is our H, okay? This is our H scarf right now. So there are a lot of ways in YouTube if you want to actually, the one that I actually made is just to cover my chest. There are a lot of things that you can do for your scarves. Nah, tell me, you can convert this to top, to a dress, there's a lot of use. Okay, so we have tons of them. It arrived 2 boxes. Okay, so if anyone wants to actually see our line of collection for the silk scarves, visit our page. It's actually posted there, the design and the brand. So if anyone wants to get it, just send me a private message. Just holler, hey, I want this style, and then you can just screenshot the item you want, and I'll be telling you the price is very very reasonable. Okay, and as I've said, we are going to give our scarves today with $5 discount if you buy 5. Okay, this is for gifting purposes. If you want to actually buy one for your loved ones and friends, you can definitely do that. I have all the brands, almost all the luxury brands. They are alternative, okay, but the quality is so good. Ay, ang sarap po sa leeg. Masyado ako maarte sa pag Makati, ayoko. Okay, this one, because some silk, silk fill. This is not pure silk. I would say this is a silk fill. Ang sarap po sa leeg, hindi Makati. Ang sarap-sarap. So you can definitely use all the colors that you have for the holiday and for this season. Okay, so I have those. I have F, I have H, I have CC, I have LV, I have GG, I have BB, Kung alam niyo po yung ano, baka may nakalimutan pa ako. Marami dyan. Tinitingnan ko lang po yung yeah, just let me know kung may nakakalimutan ako. But for the CE, you know the first word, the first letter, CE, they were sold out already, okay? So, wala na akong CE. Pagbagsak dito, may isang reseller po nagtanong sa akin kung meron ba ako noon, kukunin daw niya lahat. Nakuha na po lahat ang CE. Hello, Len! How are you, my dear? So, thank you so much. Wala na si CE, okay? So, if anything, if any brand that you wanted, I think I still have those. I have the CC, of course. LV, okay. So those I have. Baka meron pa ako nakalimutan. Marami na nag-mind din. And thank you so very much for to those people who actually been with me for the past week. Ladies, I have a new, I love this bag. This has been on my bucket list for so long. But I actually... I just had a moment to have this. I just wanted to show you this. Ta-da! Can anyone, actually this is, hold on. Ang ganda-ganda po nito. Okay. I cannot actually source on a bigger containers, bigger boxes, or a lot of boxes right now. So what I do is I'll make sure that this reach me safely. So this is our Cowhide, Picotin. I cannot actually emphasize the brand. You know the brand. If you know this brand and you know the style, okay? The style is PIC. It starts with PIC and it ends with TIN, okay? So yes, this one is so gorgeous. The good thing about this one, I put an add-on to the bag that is not supposed to be in the bag, like this real leather pony. This is a real leather pony, okay? And you have a little scarf that you can put on here. And what's good with this, ladies, I was really so surprised. Okay, so this is the deal. It's always have a lock, okay? H bag have locks, okay? So this one has this, tada, you have inside the bag, you have an organizer, okay? It's actually given, okay? It's actually, and look at how gorgeous the bag in the leather. The leather is so gorgeous, ladies. The leather is something that I really love. Unfortunately, ladies, this is the key. This is a working key, okay? And this is the leather with a smiley face. You can remove this one once it's reached you, okay? The factory is just showing that this is the leather that they use for the bag. All right, this is animal leather, cowhide they use. Okay, so this one is selling for $189. $189. Now, this one is not supposed to be here. This is also an add-on. So, ang dami kong dinagdag po. Okay? Marami po akong dinagdag. So, I got, so that price, $189, is for all of the additional. Okay? For the additions. If you're tired of actually holding this, you can attach this gorgeous addition, and then you can use it as your shoulder bag. Okay? So, this is it. This is what I really love from this one. Okay, so there you go. So you can use that one. All right, there you go. Okay, so if anyone wants to pre-order, okay, let me know because I only have one left. Okay, I only have one left. If anyone wants to pre-order more, this is only for $189. This is 18 p.m. The size of this is 18 p.m. Okay? It's already huge. Tingnan niyo po ang laki niya, ang lapad niya. Alright? So lapad that you can put all your house here. Ako kasi, and it's so light. This is what I love about this. It's this leather is so light. I love it. Okay? So much for this. So this is the one that I'm pushing right now, and there would be more coming. All right, with the CC, those with they were looking for, you know, just like this. The Y will be, this Y is only selling for $149. This is a real leather as well. So I'm giving you a good price already. Okay. Consider also that we are using the factory is using a cowhide leather. Considering the tariff and the taxes, the tariff and the shipping fee from the factory, I think I'm giving you a real good price for $149 for this. So if anyone wants this, you can definitely, mine $149. The gorgeous chain is actually not pure gold. It's like a semi brass. Okay, so it's semi because it's not that dark. Okay, so it's just a combination of, it's really gorgeous. Okay, this chain is so gorgeous. This tassel is so gorgeous. Okay, and this is what's inside the bag. There are card slots at this side and the other side, so you have 2 card slots, so it's good. Why? Because your Pro Max can fit in, your small tube of hand moisturizer can fit in. You know, I always bring this one with me. And a sanitizer can fit in, the car keys, and also your medium wallet, okay, can fit in this one. It's a party bag, or not even a party bag. If you want to use it in the office, fine, okay. This is super gorgeous, okay. So if anyone wants this, I only have one left. Okay, it's this $149 today. Next, someone was asking me, hey, are you still selling your Coach, your MK? Yes, I do sell them below the factory outlet. Okay, so if anyone wants, just let me know. I'm going to show you those for gifting purposes. Okay, so later, if someone would ask, do you still have those designer brands like Tommy, Nine West, Guess, whatchamacallit, House of Little Bunny, and Da Sign, do you still have it? I still have those. Okay, so if anyone wants, just let me know. They are actually in a clearance. I am final clearance. Okay, yes, Joy, it is really the Pico, the Pico. It's the Pico. Diba? So gorgeous. Now, if anyone is asking, how about your other bags? Are they on sale? Of course, they are on sale. Okay. If anyone wants this, this is F. Okay, this is F. This is also in the real leather. It's a 2-way. It's a handbag. It's a handbag that you can use like this. You can also use this as a, you know, because of my arm, it's so huge. I cannot do that as that style. So I definitely would use this other one. So this is a removable strap. Both of them are removable straps. So if you want to use just this hand strap, go ahead, use it and remove this one. Now, if you want to just use this, remove this one. So it's so easy. They are all in real leather. Okay. There you go. All right. Ladies, this was selling for $159. But today, I'm going to give this one for only $135. If anyone wants this one, mine, $135. $135 for this. $135. It's gorgeous. It's also something that you would want to have because it's all leather inside and out. All right, so this is it. There's the logo inside. Okay. There you go. And then this was $159. Now I'm giving it for $135. Okay. So just take a look at this. It's removable. It's in silver hardware. This is the brand. Okay, you know the brand. And it comes with the dust bag. I just wanted to let everyone know that I did not order the box because it will add to the cost of the bag, okay? And also the shipping as well. So if you want some boxes for gifting, I think this is okay with the dust bag alone, and then put it in a nice box, you know. But these are really gorgeous. Look at this. Diba? You can actually give it for yourself. All right, so saan tayo? What do you want to see right now? Okay, now I'm going to actually, mas gusto ko ngayon, we will consider because there's a lot who actually message me and they wanted to see our jewelries. Okay, now I'm gonna give you our new arrival and also our on sale items. Okay, let's travel together. Medyo ano po ako. Let's travel together and let's make it a worthwhile trip for today, because this is going to be my final live for the week. Okay, hold on po. Sumasabit yung aking. There you go. Ay, ano na nangyari? Hold on po. I'm going to adjust this one so you would... Abang ganda ng ng sisi dito kasi masyadong malapit. But if it's actually so oh my goodness, this one is also a very gorgeous item. And hanggang ngayon, ko po ito. Lagi ko siyang anong tawag doon? Kasi po masyadong yung leather po niya. Maaamoy nyo talaga, okay? So this one is also on a good sale right now. This one also, I have more colors. If you want to ask, just please don't hesitate to ask. I have the gold. They call it gold, okay? This is Togo leather. Togo leather that you can definitely, you know, say that, oh my, I love the leather because it's so soft. Togo is really a soft leather. But on the other hand, I have some items like this cutie patootie. They are not Togo leather. Okay, so they are not. This is kind of also a hard leather. It's actually also provided in other of my Birkins, but nagsalita na ako na ng of my other B. Okay, so this one is also a Togo. No, this is not a Togo, okay? All right, so this is a super gorgeous bag that I'm actually having this on sale right now. This is $169 before, okay? And I just wanted to make sure that you will enjoy this live. I am going to give this one, wow, are you kidding me? I'm checking the pricing of the invoice. Hold on. So this one, hold on lang po ha. I just wanted to make sure that I see your comments. Let me know if there's anyone who just say mind, and then pasensya na po ha. I'm just making sure that hello 5. So this one is, I'm going to give this for today less $30. Oh, for today, less $30. Oh, ang ingay ko. So this one is only less $30, ladies. So if anyone wants this, let me know po. Ha, from $169 less 30, you're going to just have this one for only $139. Isn't it gorgeous having this one? Okay, so this is, I would say this is a workable workable K of H, Kelly of H, because it has a good space inside. All right, so if anyone wants this, this is actually what I say, the most sought after color of H. This one. Okay, this one. So if anyone wants this one, I think I still have more in my inventory. Okay, you can definitely have that for only $139. Okay, go grab it, baby. And I also have this Sissy, okay? All right, so if you want that, medyo malapit-lapit ako ngayon, di ba? O, di ba, kitang-kita yung bags. Hello, 7. Kasi malayo ako minsan. Pero ito dito, hirap na ako. Ipit na. Anyway, I'm just so happy that you're with me. I will be focusing today. If you need anything like our new arrive scarves, let me know, okay? Pwede ko siyang ipakita sa inyo. I'm trying, I'm not good with scarves, but I use it, okay? The usual traditional tali lang ang ginagawa ko, but I need to learn. I need to learn how to use this and that, and they have a lot in YouTube. Just go to YouTube and learn how the perfect trick for your scarves, okay? So this is one of my ganyan talaga tayo, multitasking, di ba? Hindi pwedeng isa lang ang ginagawa. Mga babae ganyan, multitasking. Alright, so thank you so much for everyone who is multitasking right now. Alright, so this one, sabi ni Sister Delcia ay nagwa-watch daw while washing, okay? So, just let me know, ladies, because I'm going to sit down and focus more on our new items for our jewelries, okay? So, let's go! I'm going to adjust our our camera so it will be better for your eyesight. All right. Hold on po, ha. Okay, I'm getting my wala pa pong prices ang mga ito, but I just wanted to share with you our new arrival, okay? Sandali lang po, ha? I just wanted to make sure that you will enjoy this live because you're going to see some of the new items. Mabilisan po tayo ngayon, okay? So I may not be able to actually, but I can flex all the jewelries. Did I say, ladies, that we actually added a new collection in the store? We have the fragrance collection. Nag-sold out lang po sila, okay? So parating po ang ating mga bagong reorders, okay? If you have a favorite brand of perfume, let me know. I can definitely source that out for you. It is possible, I can definitely help you with that. How's your day going? Here in our area, we are experiencing rain, and it's actually super cold right now, okay? It's super lalo na lumaki yung aking mukha dahil malapit ako sa inyo. Oh my goodness, ganito ang gagawin po natin, ha? Alright, let me just grab this one real quick so you could see our new items. Hold on lang po, ha? I'm going to just make sure na hindi ko matamaan ang ating camera. Okay, hold on po. Adjusting the camera. Pasensya na kayo, wala pa ako yung mga tools ng yung mga live seller. Ang gagaling nila, may mga tools sila. I don't have that one yet. So, medyo ano lang muna tayo, whatever we have here. Yun na muna ang gagamitin natin. Ano po? Okay. So for this, ladies and meron pala, Ate Ethel, if you are watching right now, I just wanted to let you know, I'm going to show them, marami na po na kasing nag-mine ito, but I'm going to actually show them, yung minine po ninyo. So, medyo malikot po ang camera ko. Sandali. Mukhang ang gagamitin ko itong isang stand po. Sandali lang po, ha? Mga ladies, pasensya na. I'm going to use my desk stand. instead of that stand, okay? Hold on. There you go. I think this is okay. You can definitely see it. All right. Let me know if this is okay with you. Okay, so let's just grab this one real quick, those excess ones here. All right. This gold, ladies, is actually sold out. Somebody already mined this before the show. Hold on. Wala pa po ako yung mga pang bangle talaga. Okay, so unti-unti mararating natin yan, ha? Sabi pa ng iba, bakit wala kang, minsan nagtanong, bakit wala kang ganito? Pasensya na po. Ito lang muna ang nakayanan ng ating seller. Pasensya na kayo. How are you there, 7? Okay, so this one is actually what I have right now. Nag-sold out yung ibang colors. Yung iba, meron po akong, ito po ay, whatchamacallit. It's our display, okay? Yung iba po sa akin dito, may mga inventory po ako. This one is $15 only, ladies. Okay? This has no stamp. If you would notice, this has no stamp, but the quality is like with stamp. So that's why I'm just selling this one for $15. So if you want this, mine 35 here. Hindi na siya mine 35. Hindi ko na mailagay sa taas po kasi po masyadong masikip na yung aking hold on. Masikip na po yung aking sa taas. Ayan it should be mine 35. So if anyone wants this, mine 35 for $15. Okay? All right. There's the red. Okay, the gold is actually mined already by someone. Ate Ethel, I'm going to show you. Ito po yung niya, yung yung details, okay? The details is right here. Okay, you could see the details, right? So this one is only selling for $15, okay? If you want, wala na pala. Hindi ko na pwedeng if you want it. Okay, so now sold out. She just messaged me that she wants this one, the gold and the white, okay? The gold and the white, she wants this. Okay, so hold on lang po, ate. I will make sure that I reserve this one for you. Ladies, let me know kung anong gusto nyo dyan, alright? And also, I have the fuchsia, the color fuchsia right here. Sold out yesterday, alright? So, yeah. Alright, so these are actually sold out. So, ano nyo na lang po, ha? If you need anything, any color, just let me know. It may arrive. Sana hindi kayo masyadong mainip, no? Medyo matagal minsan kasi ang arrival. Sometimes nagkakaroon ng hiccups from the agency. Alam nyo na yung mga agencies na yon, kung ano yung sinasabi ko. They will hold their items, you know, for quite some time. Okay? Yung mga pang-summer ko na mga items, hindi ko pa nakukuha hanggang ngayon. Winter na lang, hindi ko pa nakukuha. So, ganyan po talaga. Minsan naman mabilis, okay? Hindi naman lahat mahirap. Mayroon pa rin mabilis, okay? So, if anyone out there is, what is she trying to say? I don't understand her. Pasensya na po. Nagtatagalog po. Okay, for this one, I'm going to actually show this one for Ate Ethel. Sandali lang po, Ate Ethel, if you will be watching our replay, I've told you in my message that I'm going to show what you mind before my show. So you have the confidence that, oh, I got that item. Okay, so this one is yours for $15. The gold is actually 28. Ethel. Okay, Ate Ethel. She is my long time ko na po to, GFM Philippines time pa po siya, okay? So this one is yours po, Ate Ethel. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. And then the other one, the white. That is, the code, ladies, is 28, okay, for the white. So if you want that, mine 28. Okay, ayan po. Oh, yan. So, Ate Ethel, this one is yours for $15. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold on lang po, ha? Alright. Next, I'm going to show you this one kasi po baka hindi nyo na po maabutan. Marami na pong mga items din na kasi po marami po akong inano nito, I ordered na ano ako, what you call this? Nagsasalabas. Labit yung aking dila. I ordered, I think, 5 pieces for each color. Ito na lang po ang natitira. Okay, ang bilis po nila. For this one, mine 27 for this one. Oh my goodness gracious, this one is super gorgeous. I love the way they actually designed this one. Okay, so this one is only $15. Mine 27. Okay, mine 27. There you go. Nakita niyo na po siya, mine 27. Dali lang po, ha? Okay. And this is the only one left, the red. Hold on po, ha? Hindi ko talaga makuha siya. I'll just put the pink here. This one is the red. Tatlo na lang po silang natitira, okay? So if anyone wants this, look at the, ang ganda po ng quality nito. Makapal po siya. Maganda po ang pagkakagawa rin sa kanya, okay? Mine 33 for this red H, okay? Now for the lavender, I have a lavender and I have a purple, okay? If you want the lavender, mine 34, and I have the purple right here, okay? Oh my goodness gracious, I have the purple, okay? I'm not so sure, Joy. I think, Joy, lahat yata ng color meron ka na. If you're still there, Joy, no? Joy kasi laging marami siyang kinukuha. So this one, I'm gonna put the pink na lang on this, slot, okay? Para at least makita ninyo. Okay, I'm gonna put the printed pink here. Okay, so if anyone wants it, mine's 64. And this one is the black, okay? The one that I'm wearing, if you could see this one, this is the one. Magkapareho ba sila ng kulay? Yes. Okay, so the one that I'm wearing, okay, so this one is also $15. Mine, 74 for this. So these are all stamped. Okay, jewelries. And I have the yellow. Okay, oh goodness. If you want the yellow, yung burgundy and gold, wala pa. Yung gold, yung burgundy and gold, naubos na, Joy. Ito yun. Naubos na. Na-mine na lahat ang 5 ko. Ang pinakahuling nag-mine si Ate Ethel. Ito siya. Ito, Joy. The burgundy, wala pang dumarating na burgundy. Ayan. This one is the gold. Ayan, dumating na siya. Pero, I don't have the click-lock design. Okay, medyo yun, pricey siya. Wala sila nun sa click-lock design nila. Anyway, I'm going to check on those, okay? Kapag meron na sila. So, this is the last gold, okay, na nakuha ni Ate Ethel. So, those are the colors that I have. I will be adding more if anyone. This color, ladies, this is one. Nako, nung una, hindi ko na, sabi ko, anong kulay ito nung dumating? Sabi ko, I need to have a gray. Gray stands out so much. Ang ganda po niya, okay? The gray color. So if you don't have the gray yet, this one is mine 38 if you want this. Okay, mine 38. All right, and then you have this color. Oh my goodness gracious, ang ganda nito. This is one of a kind. Yeah, next time, yeah, we can definitely do that, Joy. No? I will always, kasi alam mo naman, lagi akong tumitingin. Marami kasing mga nasa bucket list ko. Nakalista yan. Kapag wala yan, ako wala na naman. Alright? So, I will definitely complete my collection and then I'll let you know. Okay? From time to time, I will be flexing the items. Okay? Ilagay muna natin dyan. Kasi pupunta tayo sa next item natin. Okay? Lalagay natin dyan. Okay, hold on lang po, ha? Okay, hold on. Sandali lang po ha. I'm going to just check this one real quick. If you need anything else, para at least your time is of use, don't hesitate. Hey, can you show me this one? I love that, you know. If you actually let me know which one you want. Masyado palang malaki itong nabili kong isa. Oh my goodness. Kaya hindi magkasya. Alright, anyway. Let's do that. Okay, let's go to our new arrival. Mamaya po mag-aano tayo ng magsisale tayo ng RC mamaya. For those who are collecting RC, you know that brand? Okay, RC, it's actually the first word is, it's a pangalan ng lalaki. It starts with Rob. Alright, now, tigilan na natin yan. Okay, dito tayo. Okay. Okay. Ladies, actually, I am so happy I have this one. Kayong nandito, kayo ang first time. I haven't promoted this one in the page. Konti lang po ang dumating. But I wanted to show it to you. Okay? Alright. Next one here. Alright, this one. Ano po ito mga kaibigan? These are all, hindi ko alam kung ilan po ang mga binili ko, but I'm actually trying to get everything ready para at least makita po ninyo kaagad. Sabi nila, bilisan mo, kanina pa kami nag-iintay. Pasensya na po ha. I only have few pieces because I just wanted to make sure that you are going to like it. Alam mo nyo naman ako, I always want the best for my bells. Okay, ladies, dumating na. This is our branded, stamped LV Mother of Pearl bracelet. Okay, alright. This is our Mother of Pearl. Konti lang po ang dumating. Actually, ang dumating po for the Mother of Pearl. Sandali lang po ha. Kaya habang meron po ako ngayon, wag na po kayong mag-atubili pa. Okay, hold on po ha. I'm just going to show it using the tray para at least mas mabilis po sa atin. I'm going to just adjust on the number, we will be coding the items. So wala po tayong problema. All right. Okay, so this one, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, 7. Nice to see you here with GFM US. Okay. All right. What I love about this stand is actually I can do. Oh, I have my baby messaging me, Mimi. Can I order Jollibee? She's so very cute. Oh my goodness. Yes, baby. Okay. So look at this. Look at this one, ladies. Isa-isa yan ha. Every single charm, okay, has the stamp. All right, for this one, if you want this, okay. Pasensya na ha, ngayon lang po yan dumating. Kaya po hindi po naging ready si tendera sa pricing. Pero I can compute that one for you, okay? I can compute that one for you for the pricing. All right. Okay, that one is only selling for this Black Friday. That is $25. This is bihira po itong magkaroon, mga kaibigan, ng stamp na ganito. But I'm selling this one for $15 today. If anyone wants this, mine 21. Mine 21 for $15. Mine 21 for $15. Next. Kita po ba ninyo? Or malabo ako? Malabo po siya. I hope it's not malabo. No. Okay. Mine 21 for $15. I only have... Naku, konti lang pala yan. Isa lang yan. Dalawa lang pala ito. I only have 2. Okay? Look at this, ladies. Ang ganda po. First time ko pong nagkaroon ngayon and I'm so happy about it. This is the mother of pearl. Okay. You can see just fine, Joy. Thank you so much. Oo nga. Kasi baka masyadong malabo ako. Hello, my dear Evelyn. How are you? Iha, kumuha ka na dito. Ito ang mga bagong dating lang ngayon. Okay? So this is LV stamp, mother of pearl for only $15. If you want this, I only have 2, mine 21. Next color. Ay, may iba pa palang kulay? Yes, I have. Okay, so one of the because I've been doing a lot of bracelets in Clover, VCs, okay? So, ang pinaka-favorite nila is the mother of pearl and black. Of course, I need to have an LV black as well. So, all of the charms have a stamp, okay? So, this one, if you want this one, mine 22 for the black. Okay, I only have... Medyo marami ito. At least, may konti akong dumating, okay? I have 3 of this. Alright? So, there you go. There you go. Kitang-kita sa'yo, Joy, no? Kita naman. Pwede kong i-zoom in para makita nyo, pero na-zoom in ko naman while I was letting, you know. At ito lang po ang... Oh my goodness, this is the multicolor. I love the multicolor because it actually shows you the red bloom. Okay, the green bloom, black. Okay, and everything white. So this one is, I will put this one in 11. This is the multicolor. Okay, if you see that one, there. Okay, for only $15. Regaluhan nyo ng sarili po ninyo nito. Ang ganda po nito, alright? Suot natin. Masyado yatang malaki yung aking ano. Alright, so that one. Okay, so pag sinuot nyo yan, ayan. Oh, and it has this teeny-weeny, look at that, in the middle, right? That makes it more gorgeous, okay, ladies? This one is only selling for $15. I only have this number of items available. I already displayed it on the tray, okay? So if anyone wants this, that's available for grab. Ladies, this one is selling for $25 because of the high cost of shipping and tariff, but I only for my Black Friday I'm giving it for 15. Actually, i-ano niyo na po 'yan. Isamantalahin niyo na habang binibigay ko ng mura sa inyo, okay? This price will not be forever, I tell you, but I'm just giving this as my deal for our Black Friday. Malapit ng Thanksgiving, so it's just sharing what we have right now, okay? Next, walang may gusto niyan. So I'm going to actually move that and show you more. Okay. Ito, minsan lang ito magkaroon. Alright. Grabe, minsan lang ito magkaroon. This is my two-tone, okay? This is my, at meron na rin po akong three-tone. Kaya abang-abang lang kayo, pero konti lang po ang dumating. Okay, dito dalawa lang po ito. Okay, ngayon lang po ako nagkaroon na mini patuti na clover in two-tone. This is mini patuti. Look at my other clover. This is 15 mm. I think this one is 8, 5 to 8. Because there's a 10, okay? Meron pang 10. So this one is the mini patuti, I call it. Mini patuti, okay? So this is a two-tone, also for $15. Ang galing. Ladies, this is so gorgeous. And all of my VCs has actually the stamp and the code, okay? This is the logo. You could see the logo real close. Okay, that's the logo of VC, back to back. And this is the code. Bakit hindi ko siya mano? Dito nakikita ko siyang mabuti sa aking but anyway, who cares, no? But this is the code, okay? Makikita niyo po yan closely. So if anyone wants this, I'll put this one at 62, okay? 62. All of this, all here are, ganito na lang gawin natin, di ba? Para hindi na sila magkatanong, magkano yan? Okay? Ganito ang gagawin natin. Hi, 11. How are you? Ayan. Okay. That is the whole tray. That you can see the tray here. It's all $15, okay? And also the bangles. You can see the bangles right here. Ladies, those are $15. We are on huge sale today. All right. So this one, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you more items. Hold on lang. Okay. Okay. All right. So there. Another one is what I really wanted. This one is I am so excited sharing you this gorgeous pieces in different sizes. Okay? So kung meron akong ganito kalaki, kasing laki ni 15 na suot ko, this one magkakaroon tayo ulit ha. We're going to have this one. Ladies, we call this one marble, okay? I call this one marble. I have my own This is a marble clover, okay? And this one is the silver and gold clovers, okay? I already mentioned to you that I have this one. You know what? It's so gorgeous if you actually get 2 of these different sizes, because you have the small, you have the teeny weeny patuti and the other 15 mm. Okay, they are all on $15. Okay, so if anyone wants, just message me. Yung mga nahihiyang mag-mine, if you don't want to mine publicly, just send me a message. Okay, so this one is actually selling for only $15. Oh, goodness gracious, potato. This is something that you would never, ever, say, I don't want that. This is something that, hi, Sis Jenya, how are you? Okay, so these are really gorgeous pieces. Ladies, alam nyo yan. Alam nyo ang pricing ko dito, okay? And now, in spite of the many things that has happening with regards to shipping and the tariff, I'm still giving you a nice price. It's not nice, okay? I would say, what is a good adjective for that? Do you have a quantity 6? Okay, so for this one, Ria, do you need a bracelet for 6 pieces? I can definitely give you, Ria, 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 5 for the mini patuti. And, you know, this, the ano talaga, the saddest part right now is, ang hirap po ang hirap po talaga kumuha ng marami ngayon. Hold on lang, Ria. I'll check kung saan doon ang meron akong mini patuti na pwede kong maibigay sa iyo. Okay, I have 6 pieces but in different styles, Ria. And they are not $15, okay? They are not $15. However, if you're going to get 6, I have the tricolor. Hold on. But is it okay with you? Because I don't have 6 pieces of large. I have, you know, I have this kind, all right? I'll show you. The 53. You want the 53. Okay, I cannot give you 6 for the 53. But if you want to actually mix the 53 and the 62, they have the same. It's different sizes lang. You know, I can give you that. But for 6 pieces, wala ako ngayon, Maria. I only have 5 pieces of this little patuti, okay? The little patuti. This one is so gorgeous. If you're going, I only have 5 of this mini patuti. And for the, you can definitely get what I have, Ria, and I can reorder for you next time. How about that? Okay, I only have 1, 2, 3. I only have 4 for the for the two-tone. I have 4 for the two-tone, and I have here. Let me grab my and you haven't seen my 42. This is the tricolor, the rose gold, and the silver. I'm going to put it here on 42. Okay. So for the 53, I only have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? I only have 4 pieces. So this is what we can do. I can definitely reorder, you know. Sana meron pa sila, but I can call her, okay, and give me the other 2 pieces if you want. And for this 42, just let me know what you want, Ria, okay? I only have 1, 4, okay? I don't have. That's what I'm saying. I can't give you the 6 pieces because she only limit me up to ilang items. So let me go and check my kasi kararating lang, Ria, sandali ha. I have them. It's nicely packed according to sizes. So let me just grab it real quick for you, okay? I don't have it, unfortunately. I also have 4 pieces of that, okay? So I have 4 pieces of the 42 and 4 pieces of the 53. So it's up to you which one you want. I would say if you really want this one, grab them while they are still with me, and then I can definitely reorder for you, okay? This one is super gorgeous, mga kaibigan, and I'm giving it for only $15. Oh, come on. Tama ba yung price ko? Baka mamaya. Okay. Anyway, all right. I'm just giving you that. Okay, that's my thanks. This one is just fresh from the box. Okay, so that's it. Next tayo. All right, so if I have a large tricolor, look at that. Super gorgeous, isn't it? I also have the mini patuti for the tricolor, okay? And the mini patuti, unfortunately, I don't have the 6. Okay, so I have here this one. All right, the mini patuti of 72. Look at that. So gorgeous, isn't it, ladies? Oh, no. I'm so in love with these jewelries, okay? And because I just wanted, ang sabi ni Ria, mine po for $15 each, quantity 4 of 42. Quantity, ay nako, so she actually sold out po. Okay, the 42 is actually the tricolor, okay? So, sold out na tayo for the tricolor. She said she wants it 42. Okay, and then she wants quantity 2 of 53. This one. So she wants 2 of this. Okay, so Ria, this is your 53. It's super gorgeous. Hi, Ate Beth! Mabuti naman kami, Ate Beth, sa awa ng Panginoon. Kayo, kumusta na kayo dyan? Malamig na dito sa amin. Okay, so this one is yours, Ria. Let me grab and pull up your ano, ha? Okay. Okay, so this one is for Ria. Ria, lahat ng orders mo, I will just process one invoice, okay? Para at least, you know, I will expect me to process your invoice by tomorrow. All right? Everything talagang mag-overtime po ako. I'll start tonight. Ang dami po kasi actually yung buong ano po, sabi ko, oh my goodness, I think I will not sleep. But it's a blessing, okay? I will not sleep. Yung marami pong offline orders, okay? And then we've already shipped out some items, yung mga nagmamadali po, and then they paid the shipping, additional shipping because they want it right away. Okay, you can definitely do that, okay? So if you want an express shipping, we can provide. You know, it's not a problem. Okay, hold on. Ang dami ko daw daldal, okay? Hindi naman po. Okay, so 42, quantity of 42, and this one is for $15 times 4 for Ria. Okay, Ria, I got you. Got it, okay? Thank you for being with me today, Ria. Okay, so this one is yours, Ria. Napakagaganda nito. Bagay na bagay sa'yo ito, Ria. Alam ko, I don't know. I think, ano mo yata ito, i-gift mo, but super ganda nito. Okay. This one is actually heavier compared to my other clovers because, you know, ladies, this is made of all stainless steel, while the other colorful clovers are made of light mother of pearl, like katulad ng mga ganito. Okay, so very light lang yan. All right, so they are not really heavy. So ito Ria, medyo heavy ito. Okay, so this one is yours, Ria. Let's have a screenshot of what you ordered. So this one is $15 each, and you ordered 4 for the tricolor clover. Mine 42. Okay, screenshot tayo, please. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to actually get you the 2 other colors. These are the colors that you mind for the 53, the two-tone. Okay, the two-tone, ladies, available pa ang two-tone natin. I still have 1 left. Okay, for the two-tone. So if anyone wants to get that one, kunin nyo na. All right, well, I have it. Okay, so this one, the other one that Ria got is the 53, okay? The two-tone. Okay, this one is yours, Ria. Code 53, $15 times 2. This one is for Ria. Okay. Ria, this one is your 53. 15 times 2, 53. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so very much. Okay, ladies. Ayan po, available pa po. Iusog ko ilalagay ko lang muna si 72 dito. Okay, so for 72, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tingnan mo, talagang 5 lang pala talaga. Okay, so I only have 5 pieces for the mini patuti. Okay, if anyone wants to get this one, ladies, hindi ako magbabundle ngayon because of the low price na po. Ha, $15 na po sila. Okay, so this one, I have the mini patuti for $15 tricolor. Okay, I have this one. Still, okay, if anyone wants this, I only have 5 left. Okay, for the mini patuti tricolor. Ganda po nito. Look at that. If you want to invest, maganda po sa pagsabayin nyo silang isuot. Alright, now, I only have for the mini patuti, not two-tone, I only have 1, 2, 3. Ayan siya. Super gorgeous. I also have 5. Yun lang pala, 5 lang pala talaga binigay sa akin. Next time siguro mag-increase tayo to 10. Alright? Kung mabibigyan niya ako ng 10. I still have pala for the two-tone ladies, I still have 2. Okay, if anyone wants that, mine 53 for $15, okay? Next tayo. Alright, next tayo. By the way, Ria, let me grab quickly. Baka are you still interested with a necklace that's mother of pearl? I reordered that one for you. Are you still interested, my dear? If you're still interested, I think I have them with me already. If you still want it, okay? If you still want it. Now, ladies, I have another one. Oh, gorgeous. It's my first time having this gorgeous mother of pearl with the Alhambra style. Okay, so this one is actually, I'll put it in 42. Okay, there you go. $15, that's for 42. Okay, all right, so for 42 you have the mother of pearl, and then this one, the sparkle clover with the stone in the middle. Okay, so it's not a stone, it's a dot, okay, in the middle. Okay, so that's how it looks. Super gorgeous, okay? Mine 42 for only $15, okay? So that one, mas naguguluhan kayo pag marami ako inilagay sa tray. Tatanggalin ko po, ha? Okay, tatanggalin ko mamaya yan. And then I also have this, definitely a keeper for this. This is a keeper. Oh my goodness. Look at that, blue, red, and black. All at the same time. It's a clover. These are all stamped. All that I'm showing you are all stamped, ladies. These are new arrival, just arrived today. Okay, 87 for this, mine 15. Okay, I only have 2 pieces of that. Okay, wala na pong ilalabas si seller. Pasensya na kayo, ha? Okay, kahit papano may dumating. Okay, kahit papano may dumating. Alright. Okay, now, if you're interested with getting the all gold, I have the all gold. Ladies, the gorgeous all gold, okay? All gold. Look at that. Aww. Okay, so this one, I'm going to put the all gold with, with a sparkle. Mine 32, okay? Mine 32 for the all gold. I only have 2 pieces, okay? All right, I only have 2 pieces for the all gold. For those who are actually watching us via replay, ladies, I only have one request from you. Would you be able to screenshot the items you want? Because a lot is messaging me just the code. And then I cannot go back, and I am really, all of us are busy people. It would help me a lot. It would help you and me to complete the transaction if you are going to screenshot the item you want with a code on it. Okay? Because that would help me retrieve the items because itong mga ito po, inaano ko siya. I take them out of the tray and put it again in this, sandali, pakita ko po ha. In this plastic, okay? So in order for me to make sure that they are not, they are fresh every time, so hindi ko po sila binibilad dito. Okay, so if anyone wants to actually mine, and then if you, and you're watching my replay, I really needed the screenshot. That's actually a great help for me and for you, okay? All right, next tayo. This one is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, where is my pinsan? I think my pinsan, sabi niya, ayoko nang bumili. Dami niyang binili. Okay, so she loves the items. And also I have black. If anyone wants the black. Okay, so this one is super gorgeous. I have the black. Kakaiba naman. So if you have a clover na black like this, na all black, and then you put this like that, it's super gorgeous, okay? It's super gorgeous po. Okay, so you can definitely do that. Okay, you have this, you know, ito yung ano ng difference. This one is also $15. If you want this, ladies, it's only $15. I'll put it in 75. Okay, 75 for this, the black. Okay, I only have 2 for the black. All right. Oh, we still have 1 for the mother of pearl. So, dalawa na lang ang mother of pearl, okay? So, those are the items. Now, I'm going to show you and screenshot everything, okay? So, I don't have to repeat myself every time. Okay, so, let's go. Mine 75. Okay, isa lang sa'yo, Jen. Hi, Jen. How are you? Grabe, congratulations to you, my friend. You have how many followers? I just visited your page this morning. I said I wanted to see your update. Oh my goodness gracious, what did you do? You're so famous. Okay, so this one is actually mine 75. You only want one lang, Jen, ano? $15 lang ito, my dear. $15, okay? All right, this one is yours. All right, so this one is for Jen, number 75, for $15. This one for Jen. Okay, Jen, let's have a screenshot of your item. Oy, nandiyan ba sis Evelyn? Hi, Evelyn. If you're there, hi to you. You're still at work? Okay. Sandali lang, Jen, ha? Nawala na naman ang aking ilaw. Okay, Jen, let's have a screenshot of what you mind. Okay, I wanted to do it really gorgeous this time. Okay, so Jen, this one is yours. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. All right, this is a super gorgeous, okay. Oh, thank you so much, Sis Evelyn, ha? Even if you're working, nakakasilip-silip ka sa live natin. Thank you. Thank you, Sis Jenya. All right, next tayo. Thank you, my dear sis. So, ito, mga dears, I'm going to show you each and every item plus the code. So, screenshot nyo lang po, ha? These are all LV. Itong LV na to, nakastamp yan. Okay? Every single charm is stamped. Ito may stamp din ito sa likod. It has a stamp. Okay? I only have 3 left. Okay? So, if you want to mine this multicolor LV, mine 11, okay, mine 11. And then this one is also a mother of pearl LV 21, okay, mine 21. This is all black, mine 22, okay. I only have 3 items left, all right. And the other one, hold on po mga dears. Now, this mini patuti, I love this one. It's my first time having this, okay? So, 62. I still have 5 of this. And this one, the tricolor. Oh, no, this is a 2-color. This mini patuti ones are 2-color as well. 2-color. Okay, 2-color. Gold and silver. All right? This one is the mother of pearl Alhambra style, and this one is the tricolor. Oh my goodness, this one is so precious. This is tricolor, old rose, gold, and silver. I still have 5 of this, okay? And it's only $15. This is our new arrival. First time in the history that I have the tricolor, okay? What, nako ladies, please grab this one while they are still with me, okay? And this gorgeous ones are also mine 87, okay? All right, the screenshot, ladies, okay? Screenshot. And I only have 1 left for the black, okay? Screenshot, screenshot. Thank you so much. I'm going to change the tray. All right, I'm going to change the tray. Okay. Change. Okay. Screenshot po ninyo ha, because I'm going to change the tray. All right. Next item. Hi, Ruru. How are you, my baby? How are you, my sweetie pops? How are you, my sweetie? How are you? Wait. How are you, my dear? Do you want some, do you want some food? Do you want some food, baby? Okay, hold on. I think you've eaten so much, sweetheart. I think that's enough, okay? No more food. Because I'm talking to my cat, to my male cat. That she's not okay. Done SS. Thank you so much. Okay. All right, there you go. Okay, sale. $15. The bangles, all the H bangles, all stamped. Okay, this is a good gift for your bosses or for your special loved ones. Okay, so mind this one while they are still here. Okay, next item tayo. All right, hello 10, how are you? Okay, time check for 09. I'm going to be back 5:30. I'm going to complete the live 4:30. Okay, so I still have 21 minutes. 21 minutes. Now, I'll be showing you what I have. I'm not so sure if Ria is still around. Ria, are you still there? Because I'm not so sure if you still want this one. This is the most sought after VC, okay? This mother of pearl necklace. Ang ganda nito. Mga artista po, ito sinusuot nila. Because, you know what? Dainty is actually in right now. Being, pag dainty ka, dainty yung suot mo. Ria, I already have it. Okay? It just arrived today. Okay? I already have it. If you're still interested with this, Ria, the price is actually, $12 now, but because I priced this one before for $8, I can definitely give this one to you for $8. But after Black Friday, after November, they're back to 12. Okay, so this one is $8 for my Black Friday. Okay, hold on. I think I'm not so sure if I have the 6. Okay. You're okay now, so you don't need this one. Okay, so it's okay. All right, so 2, 3, 4. Ladies, kung meron pa naghahanap, I ordered a lot on this one because this is going to be, this is one of my bestseller, the necklace, okay? So, for today, I'm going to give the necklace, not 15 ha, iba na yan, okay? So, this one are all $8 for today. Hold on po. Ba't mahal na siya ngayon? Mahal na pala binigay sa akin. Okay, all right. Really? Wow. This is supposed to be actually $10. Ang pinaka at cost price ko is $10. Okay, but I'm giving it for $8. Okay. Kaya $12 siya. Ibebenta ko ng $12 after the Black Friday. Because I'm giving you the below cost, which is $8, okay? So $8 below cost for this. If anyone wants the white, okay, this is also with stamp. Okay, look at that. Gorgeous, okay? So I have the white. All right, if anyone wants, mine 6. Mine 6 for the white. And then I have another color. Hello, 9. I-show ko lang ito and then I have more items mamaya po yata. Hindi ko pa nailalabas. Okay, sale po tayo mamaya. Okay, for the black, this is the black. I love the black. Ito yung may diamond in the middle. Okay, this is the VCA. This is the new VCA na may diamond in the middle. Okay, there you go. 5. Okay, 5 for that. Yan po yung mga nawalan tayo. The colors that actually was sold out last time, now it's back, okay? O, puro lang pala yan mga yung colors na yan. And then, this was out of the color as well. Hold on. This one is super gorgeous. I love it. Okay, this is actually the tiger eye, ladies. Okay, the tiger eye. It's so gorgeous. Okay, if anyone wants this, nag-out tayo nito last time, but I'm bringing it back. $8 for the tiger eye. Mine 8 for that. Okay, mine 8. So I also have purple, red. Ito yung mga nag-out tayo the last time, okay? Ito yung nag-out. Naghahanap sila, okay? Dumating na po sila, alright? So they're saying hi to you. We're back, okay? We're back. We're here. This is our purple. Gorgeous one. Bakit wala itong VCA? Ay, nagsalita ako ng ano. But it has this code, okay? And the stamp over here. There you go. The stamp of the brand. Okay, so if you want this one, mine 4 for this. Okay, mine 4. And for the red, if anyone wants the red, I have some other colors. It's actually on my display. If anyone wants the red, gorgeous red. Okay, mine 3. Okay? Alright, I think we're good. Walang naghahanap ngayon. I think yung mga naghanap, they're not here yet. But I just wanted to show you that we already have those. So that is good, you know. Alright. There you go. Let's go to other items. I still have 15 minutes, okay? Okay, so this is the newest in my VC collection. Okay, I don't want to actually say the whole brand. You know the brand already. Okay, I don't have to reiterate. Okay, ladies, this is the new one. New one. This is earrings, okay, ng VC. Oh, you will be happy kasi nagkaroon na tayo nito. I want to have all the collection for VC, okay? So hold on lang po ha. I'm going to just Wala pa kasi siya sa display ko, kaya medyo, ano pa si seller ngayon. Okay. There you go. I'm going to show you this beauty. Okay. Hold on. Okay, this is the code, and you can see the code below and the stamp of the jewelry plus the 750. That's the gold that they use. Okay. Okay, so this is the new one. All right, I have this, ladies. I'm so happy. Okay, so if you visit their website, you know exactly what I'm saying with regards to this five leaf leaf five petal. Okay, 5 petal clover. Okay, so this is also VC. If you want this, ladies, this is selling for $18. I cannot give it more than that, but this one is for you for our Black Friday. I'm giving this one for only $12. Hindi na ko na po pwede siyang maibaba, ladies. This one is really, I would say, expensive po, okay? So if anyone wants this, this is $12. That is already my forever price. Okay? Kasi po expensive siya. Ginawan ko na lang po ng paraan na hindi ko siya may offer ng mas malaki po. Okay? So if anyone wants this one, I'll give this one a code, and the code would be 1. Okay? If you want the black, code is 1. Okay? So you know exactly, ang ganda niya. Okay? This is only for $12. This is the new VC na dumating. Okay? $12, mine 1. If you want that, mine 1. Gorgeous, isn't it? All right, next tayo. Next. I also have the white one. All right? Super cutie. All right? Ladies, this one is super gorgeous. Konti lang po ito. Hindi po ako binigyan ng marami kasi nag-sold out daw siya for that. Okay? So, at least kahit papano, I was given some items. Okay? I was given some items. Thank you so much. Okay? And then, I also have the gold. Okay? If anyone wants it, I have the gold. There you go. I'll put it number 7. Okay? I'll put it number 7 for $12. For $12. Okay? That is already a good Black Friday deal for ano po, I would say a good item like that. Okay, so that one is mine 7 for that. Okay, for the gold. And I also have, konti lang po yung aking mga nakuha sa kanya. Alright, hindi lahat meron. Okay, so for this one, it's so gorgeous. I love it. Okay, look at that. If you want the red, mine 9 for that. Okay. And I think that's all I have. I have the black. I have the black, I have the gold, and I have the red. Black, white, gold, and red. Gorgeous, gorgeous ladies. Ayan. All right. There you go. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, may kulang pa. Marami pa daw akong pwedeng ilagay dyan. Okay, anyway, hi Nine. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Okay, I also have green and pink, but it's only one. I only have one green. Kaya naman pala, marami pa akong ilalagay kasi I still have the color, okay? I still have other colors. Okay. This is lovely. I love this. Oh, ang cute-cute niya. Super cute siya, okay? I only have one, unfortunately. Okay, for now, yan lang po. Okay, 11 for the pink. Ayan, alright. So I have gold, red, mother of pearl, green. Oh, the mother of pearl is here. Pink pala yun. And then the black, okay? This is not, kasi tingin mo, akala mo mother of pearl, pero pink ito. Ano sa light po, ha? Nagkakaroon siya, nagbabounce siya. Hold on. Okay. Kakaroon po siya ng ano sa light. Okay, so that's pink, okay? Anyway, let's just try and check other items. Ito po yung mga sale items ko na ibibigay ko ngayon. This time sa inyo. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay. I'm going to change the tray again. Okay. Okay, this one. Tony, are you there? Because Tony wants to actually mine this item. But I'm not so sure if you're there, Tony. All right, because she wants me to reserve an item for her, but I don't know which one of them she wants, but I'll make sure that she'll get this one. Okay? I think dati po nagkaroon tayo nito. Look at this one. This is the VC that is really new right now. It's a 4-leaf, a 5 petal. Okay, so if you're going to, this is the code and the stamp. Code and the stamp as well. All right. You've seen that one. Okay. Okay, ladies, this one is selling for $15. Okay. This one is selling for $15. If anyone wants this one, okay. I already shared this the live to Tony, but I think she's busy right now. So if anyone wants this, this is actually the ladybug that everyone is waiting for. Okay, only for $15. If anyone wants this gorgeous, okay, this gorgeous, I'm going to give this one a code. Okay, I'm going to give this one a code only for $15. Okay, hold on. If anyone wants this, mine 32 for this. Mine 32 for $15. Mine 32 for $15. Ang ganda niya. Oh my goodness gracious. This one is super gorgeous. Sandali po, ha? For only $15. Come on, ladies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Dali lang po, ha? There you go. Beauty, isn't it? Okay, so if you want that one, mine 32 for $15. Mine 32 for $15, okay? Lagay muna natin dyan. Huwag na nating tanggalin, okay? Because that is my my beautiful, beautiful necklace right there. Okay, next. Konti lang pala ang aking ano. All right. I only have few ano. Let's check the bracelet, okay? Ladies. Oh my goodness. I don't have a bracelet yata. Hold on, I'll check. Because that one is super gorgeous. Nako. Okay. Ladies, I want you to Google and check that in the VC website kung magkano yan. Makita nyo how much the original for that one. Okay. I'm going to show you the earrings for that. Okay. So, meron bang earrings yan? Of course, tingnan natin. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. If they have earrings. Oh my goodness gracious. It's actually right here. It's actually right here. All stamp and all. Ladies, this is also selling for $15. Okay? This is selling for $15. Oh, thank you so much, ate. My panganay is giving me a message. Sabi niya, congrats, mommy, for the increase in sales. Actually, they are actually telling me this is what you need to do, blah, blah, blah. Hindi ko sinusunod yung iba. Sabi, nagagalit ang aking GFM. Okay? So, GFM stands for my daughter's name, Grace, Faith, and Mercy. Ladies, this one is actually selling for $15. So gorgeous, okay? So, if you want this, I'm going to give this a code as well, alright? Huwag nyo na pong kasi konti lang po ito. At ang tagal ko pong hinintay ito, 5 months. Ladies, opo, totoo yan, 5 months. Okay? So, habang may ibibigay po ako na mura sa inyo, kunin nyo na. Ang dami pong nagme-message sa akin. Sinabi ko na po sa inyo noon eh. Tapos pinipilit akong maghanap. Sabi ko naman, ladies, noon yun available. Ngayon wala na. Okay? So talagang hanggang dun lang ang powers ng inyong seller. Wala na. Okay, so I think our viewers is declining right now. We only have 5, but it's okay. I think break lang sila from their work, kaya nakakapunta sila sa atin. But I'm so happy, we have 5 viewers. I'm just praying really so hard na sana makakuha tayo ng mga magandang views from other people na makita lang nila yung ating items. I hope I could. I'm really praying for that, okay? So this one is mine 33 for only $15. Okay? Mine 33 for only $15. And the necklace is also $15. Okay? Pareho po sila eh. I can't really give. This one is really mura na. Super mura for this, okay? $15. There you go. Next. Oh, hala, ano na pala po tayo? 4:30 na tayo. Nice earrings. Thank you po. Thank you po, Sister Del. Yeah, nice earrings talaga. Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. And I have this one, ladies. Ngayon rin ako nagkaroon nito. Remember, I have the mini patuti, 2-tone and 3-tone. I have also a necklace that is actually a combination of large clover, small clovers like that. Oh, diba gorgeous? Ladies, they are also selling for $15. This one is a different kind of clover designs, okay? Wag po tayong di ba $8 mo lang binibigay yan? Hindi naman po. Ito po ay ang bagong arrival natin. Nag-take effect na matagal ang tariff. Hindi ko lang po tinake effect sa inyo kaagad. Pero wala po akong magagawa. I really needed to actually add the tariff at saka yung huge shipping fee. Very huge po. Kaya Alam niyo po yung mga, kung may kakilala kayong mga sellers na kaibigan ninyo, and they're giving you good prices, and you know that their price is reasonable, grab it. Grab it po. Kasi, actually, konti lang po ang aming, I would say, margin namin. Napaka-konti. Hindi pa po kasama dyan yung shipping cost na, kasi po nag-charge kami ng shipping fee doon sa mga less than $100. Hindi kami nag-charge, okay? Free shipping. So, meron pa po kaming binabayaran na ganyan. Maraming expenses, alam niyo naman ang business, di ba? So, minimum na lang po, konting-konti lang po talaga ang nakukuha ng ibang mga resellers. Ewan ko, yung iba po kasi siguro because they have a huge viewership, natatabunan yon. But for a very, very small tindera like me, it's really something that, people can help me out with that aspect. Kasi you can definitely watch other live naman po. You can watch other live and check the prices. I may have a higher price compared with them. And if you think that, I have a better deal on this one, then grab it. Diba? Grab it kung gusto niyo. Well, but I cannot promise, I cannot actually compare my services to other people's services. What I want is, I want my customers to be happy. I really thank one of my bells in LA for giving me very good feedback. It warms my heart. Sabi ko nga sa Panginoon, napaiyak ako. Sabi ko, if only one people would give me a good feedback like this, I am going to be really happy in spite of all the discomforts, yung mga problema natin, yung mga positive vibes ang binibigay. That's what we needed for each other. Hindi lang kami ang nangangailangan yan, pati rin po kayo. But, I actually posted what she said. I actually asked permission. I said, can I post your feedback? I really wanted this to be posted in my page. And she was my belle for years. Actually, she's always there. Sometimes she visits the live, would just say hi, and then she would, sometimes she actually mind during live and work with me offline. I really appreciated her because her fashion sense, marami po tayong mga fashionista who's actually on the live right now. You know exactly the prices and the quality of other items, and you know exactly if it's my pricing and my service is competitive. I wanted to give the best for everyone. I used a very good shipper right now. We are actually expanding, and we are definitely upgrading each service that we have. So, medyo mabagal kami, but we're working on that one. Okay, our website is still a work in progress. So, hintayin nyo lang po yan. I cannot, actually, because I have a hybrid collection right now. I have the authentic and the luxury inspired collection. That's my problem, why I have to get hold of my website. Okay, so there are a lot of compliance items that we need to actually adhere to before we finally full blast our website. Okay, so for now, wala pa tayong website. We had a website before, but we actually revised it and we use another platform for our website. So until now, hindi pa namin na ilo-launch, but pretty soon with God's grace, baka mailabas po namin very, very soon. Okay, so yan lang po. I'm just trying to share with you yung mga what affects our pricing, things like that. And I know you know naman rin, kasi nga nakakabalita naman yan sa ating, nababalitaan naman po natin, di ba? Bakit kaya walang bracelet? Alam mo, bumili po, nag-ano po ako ng bracelet eh. Nag-order ako. Baka hindi ko lang nakikita pa for now. But kung makikita ko po siya, I will definitely let you know. Pero, hold on po ha. I think I could see it now. Hold on po ha. I think I could see it right now. So, I gave you this one, this ladybug. Okay, they are my ladybug collection. I'm so happy with that. I'm so happy. Okay, kasi ako lang po nagsuot niyan, and then may nakapasin. Meron ka pa bang ganyan? Kasi I introduced this one a year ago. Oh, mga ano ito. Ladies, this one is another necklace. But this necklace is actually not as heavy as this one. This one is $15, right? This one, let me go and check. Okay, if that is $15, if this one is $15, this is only $12. Okay, this one is only $12. Okay, if anyone wants this, I have two available designs. Okay, my two available designs, this one is $15 because this one has a mini patuti clover. Okay, that's why yan pagkaiba nila. All right, look at the pagkaiba. They are all stamped, ladies. Okay, so this is without the clover. This one is $15. This one is $12. So if you want this, okay, mine $32 for the $15. Okay, I think I'm nag-overtime ako. Okay, tapusin ko lang ito. Tapusin ko lang po ito. And this one is actually $12. So if anyone wants this, mine for this, I'll give a code for that. Okay, for this is mine 34 for $12, okay? Mine 34 for $12. Let me go and check real quick kung other items that I may have missed with regards to this ladybug. Okay, for now po, hindi ako binigyan ng ng bracelet. Bakit nila ako hindi binigyan ng bracelet po? Anyway, I'm going to just check, okay, my invoice. Baka nga, baka nag-out of stock po ang bracelet nila. Okay, so, I don't have a bracelet right now. That's the only one I have. I'm so sad naman po. I don't have the bracelet. Okay, so anyway, ladies, I might have overlooked it, but I will just make sure that I have it. So everything on this table except for this one is $12. Mine 34 for 12. All of this and the bangles are all $15. Okay, ayan po. Including this one, that's $15. This tree called gold. Okay, gold clover. Okay, $15. All right, so I'm gonna see you again later. Okay, I'm gonna see you again later po, ha? And I think we will start at 5:30. Okay, so I'm not so sure. I just wanted to just say hi to you if I'm ready. I will be actually nag-aano na yung aking blazer. So I'm going to be with you mga between 5 to 5:30. Okay, so I'll just say hi, and then I hope you could join me. Marami po akong ilalabas yun. Ito ng this time mga sale items na po. Ang ating $5, $6, $8, $10, $12. Okay? So be with me. Pag may time pa po kayo, be with me later. I'm gonna see you again. Bye. Thank you.